In the world of spices, one stands above the rest, worth more than gold and treasured for thousands of years. This is saffron, the golden spice. Today, we'll explore its amazing benefits, everyday uses, and important side effects you should know. Saffron comes from the crimson threads of the Crocus sativus flower. Each bloom gives only 3 tiny threads, and it takes over 75,000 flowers to produce just 1 pound. That's why it's the world's most expensive spice. Boosts mood, may help ease depression and anxiety, earning it the nickname Sunshine Spice. Supports eye health, antioxidants like crocin can protect vision. Improves memory, research links saffron to better brain function. Enhances skin glow, used for centuries to brighten skin and reduce pigmentation. Heart-friendly, helps regulate cholesterol and supports healthy circulation. Cooking, adds rich color, aroma, and flavor to rice, desserts, and teas. Herbal medicine, traditionally used for digestion, menstrual comfort, and vitality. Skincare, infused in oils and masks for clear, glowing skin. Saffron tea, a soothing drink that relaxes the mind and body. While safe in small amounts, high doses, over 5 grams a day, can be toxic. Side effects may include nausea, dizziness, or headaches. Pregnant women and people on certain medications should consult a doctor before use. Saffron is nature's golden gift, full of flavor, beauty, and health benefits. Enjoy it in moderation, and it may bring a little sunshine to your plate and your life.